Yo, what's cracking, guys? Yeah, it's actually I don't even know what day it is, honestly. But got the recap out late. I don't know what happened. I was doing too much and it didn't even want to render, and then it kind of got all fucked up. So, anyways, guys, it's up there. Hopefully, you guys checking it out. Let me know what you think. I'm working on getting a better mic situation. It's in a small room, and I got my shotgun mic, and it sounds really echoey. But I might get like a little lav mic or something. But what I'm trying to work on today is this guy. I want to try to pull this thing off, and then I got some wire brushes, and hopefully I can just kind of clean up the block. Ultimately, I'd love to just I would love to just paint it, and maybe do a wrinkle red on the valve cover. Just, make it look presentable and stuff like that, so I can put it in the car, and if it ever does come out and go into something else, it looks nice. But just, I've never messed with a K series before, I'm not gonna lie. I've messed with a lot of B series and D series, so I'm gonna go out this really slow and try to, learn as much as I can as I'm taking stuff apart, even though it's all bolt-on stuff, but just so I know, what things used to be, where the hoses go, because that's always going to be a pain in the ass later, but it's a learning experience for me. But yeah, my goal for this year, or one of them, is to build a B20V for the Del Sol, so that's going to be kind of a journey to build that myself. And then right now I'm dealing with the K series, which is like jumping a gun, or jumping ahead a little bit. But yeah, hopefully this turns out well. We'll see how this thing goes, honestly. But cool. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Sweet, got it off. Good shit. Alright, well, I got it off. That's mission one. There's a bunch of other shit. I'm gonna take off the starter, take this guy off, and then not too much. And there's not too much to take off on this side, so hopefully I can pop this guy off and then we can get to cleaning. Alright, so it's much later, and as you can see, I took the valve cover off mainly because Mark said to check the cams, and then I watched the VTech Academy video when they did the cam swap on the EP3. I guess like some of the cams on the EP3s start to get really, really marred up and chewed up because of oil starvation. So Mark was like, you might want to check that. So I might want to check that. So let's check this out. You can kind of tell. Luckily I'm on a GoPro, so I can get pretty close. Hopefully you guys can see this, but it's not too bad, but you can kind of tell, like, there's some scratches there, and definitely scratches here, some over here, and over here. Loki said it was like 114,000 miles on this, so it's not actually too bad. It actually doesn't smell like any burnt oil. Everything's still really clean. I literally just pulled this off, so all this is nasty and dirty, so I gotta clean up all that and, clean up the whole block and stuff. But wanted to check this. This is cool, I think the EP3 was like 180,000 miles, so I can definitely see those lobes getting really pitted in like another 50,000 miles, but as of now, I'm not really too worried, so so far the block's looking good. I mean, all the bolts still look gold and everything like that, but yeah. Took the intake manifold off. Everything's looking choicey. So next step is basically just going to throw the valve cover back on and then try to get cleaning. So let's do that. Alright guys, so I spent a little time trying to clean this thing up. It's preliminary dirty, but it's got a lot more to go, obviously. But I got like a bunch of simple green and rags and a bunch of other random stuff. You may have seen that, I don't know. But it kind of looks a little better. Valve cover's kind of nice. Trying to get the motor looking decent. I still have to take off all of this and the trans and stuff. So I got a lot of shit left to do, but for the most part, it doesn't look like a complete dirty piece of shit. But at this point, it's doing better. But once I get most of the stuff taken off, I can do a lot better job of cleaning it. But yeah, anyways, that's it for tonight.
Hey, Christian.
What?
It's your second favorite S2000.
It is my second favorite.
Dickbag.
I'm sorry. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? This man's all kinds of upset. It's pretty good though. I mean, it is supercharged. It's pretty nice. I can't hate on it. I mean, it made the list.
Second though.
Second though.
Hey Christian.
What happened?
What about that really clean red one?
What really clean red one?
Remember with those weird wheels?
Which one was that?
Lower than number 2, that's for sure. Clearly.
It was a really low one that you had to help me get off the ramp.
Oh, that one was good too though, but that was super stock. But it did have Evos though. That was good. Yeah. Yeah, this guy brought in a red S2000 on some Rega Masters. Can't hate, you know? Can't hate. I'm just a JDM kid. What do you want from me?
I mean, they're like shitty Russian magnesium wheels, so
Hey, they're rare.
you can probably hate.
That's all it takes.
I
If it's rare, I like it.
Like you like your steak?
Yeah. Just like that. Just like I like my steak. Alright guys, I'm done.
Shot downhill.
I'm out of here. This is going nowhere. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.